Ukraine keeps destroying large amounts of Russian equipment, with Ukraine's drone army increasingly reaching further and further behind Russian defensive lines. Russian artillery, which had been more spared due to the distance to the front line, has seen increased losses during the conflict. With Russian systems like this Msta-S howitzer storing ammunition inside without much protection, can often result as seen here, with a massive explosion as the drone strikes the artillery system, causing the ammunition to detonate all at once, vaporizing the system, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.